Hello, my dear students. In the last video, in the last session, we have seen our first chapter, rational and irrational number. In that section, we have seen how to indicate the rational numbers on the number lines, and hope you have studied and understood it and made a lot of practice. Of very few students have responded by showing their homeworks on my private personal phone number, WhatsApp messaging media. Today we are going to compare rational numbers, comparison of rational numbers. If the numbers are compared, either they are equal, the given numbers are equal or unequal. If they are unequal, there are two cases. The first number will be smaller than the second one, or the first number is greater than the second one. Means there are again two relations, less than, greater than, and one is equal to. Means there are three possibilities. While comparison is made between two numbers or more than two numbers, we see first whether these numbers are equal, unequal means less than or greater than, or sometimes we make an order relation. Making comparison of numbers means we are setting the order relation. Which number is greater than, which number is less than, which number is equal. All these things are come under comparison of rational numbers. If two numbers are given for you to compare, means to make an order relation, to find the order relation between two numbers, we have to first decide whether they are equal or unequal. Then you can set the relation, means you can compare the numbers. I am going to show you some basic and important things which you have learned in the previous classes. Now, first of all, I will tell you the numbers are positive. Numbers are positive. Let me tell you one thing. One fact is that the number 0 is an integer. 0 is neither positive nor negative. It is not positive nor negative. So negative numbers are considered less than. All the negative numbers are less than 0. Means they are on the left side of 0. On the number line, you have indicated, you drawn, or you have seen in the books, all the negative numbers are on the left of the 0. Means they are smaller than 0. Means all negative numbers are less than 0. The numbers, for example, I am writing number means a letter. I am writing here only a letter. A. A is number which is less than 0, means 0 is greater than A. This can be read as A is less than 0, means A is negative. A is negative. So one point is that while making order relation, all the negative numbers are less than 0. For instance, if you have to say or compare two numbers, -3 and 0. These two numbers are given for you to compare. -3 and 0, and you have the knowledge. All the negative numbers are than 0. Here is negative number and 1 is 0. Means 0 is greater than minus 3. So you can make it the comparison minus 3 and 0 can be compared like this one. In the mathematical symbol, you can write minus 3 is less than 0. This is the comparison. All the negative numbers are less than 0. Means you can write like this one. 0 is greater than minus 3. In another way you can write this. 0 is greater than minus 3. The same statement is written like this. If you are given minus 8 by 9 and 0, obviously you can say that my negative number is less than 0. So greater number is 0, negative number is similarly. Positive numbers, all positive numbers are greater than 0. All positive numbers are greater than 0 because the positive numbers lie on the right side of the 0. There is one rule. While moving left to right, means you are on the increase. You are on the increase. So now on the number line, if you see minus 3 and after that minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving in this way from left to right, you are increasing. If I am going to minus 2 from minus 3, means I am moving left to right. While comparing minus 3 and minus 2, means first we come to minus 3 and then we are moving towards minus 2. Means moving left to right. Means this minus 3 is less than minus 2. This minus 3 is less than minus 2. Again, I will tell you one fact regarding the comparison or order relationship. So remember this, as long as you study mathematics, keep in your mind, this is the fact, for any two numbers, look at this, the 7 and 6, these numbers, while making comparison, obviously you can say the 7 is greater than 6. 7 is greater than 6. If I put negative sign on both the sides, minus 7 and minus 6, the sign of this inequality, gets reversed, means this becomes like this. Suddenly, if we change the signs, it becomes less and it becomes more. Means minus 7 is less than minus 6. So keep in your mind one rule. A and B both are positive and A is greater than B. After applying negative sign on both sides, the sign gets reversed, minus A minus B. Then what will you do? Then you will do, sign will be reversed. You will make reversed sign. Less than can be converted into greater than, and greater than can be converted into less than. So while making comparison between while making comparison between two negative numbers, you have to think about the magnitude of the numbers. The bigger magnitude is lesser than the greater magnitude, smaller magnitude. If there is minus 99 and minus 17, these numbers are given. Obviously, you can say 99 is greater than 17. All of the students, the majority of students will say 99 is greater than 17. But this is not the reality. The reality is that the greater the magnitude is greater. And this magnitude means 17, this 19 is greater. 17 is lesser, but they are negative. So minus 99 is less than minus 17. Minus 99 is less than minus 7. Okay? So remember one thing, all negative numbers are less than 0. All positive numbers are greater than 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. And one rule of reversing the sign, after changing its sign, go on the both sides. And if you have given rational numbers, then how will you compare them? These are the integers. I have shown you only integers. Now the rational numbers. If the rational numbers are given, like this one, 3 upon 4, 7 upon 4, 3 by 4, 7 by 4. You can see the rational numbers. Both the rational numbers have same denominator. Means they are having same denominator. Now we have to compare only, and both are positive. Both are positive. So 3 and 7. Compare only numerator. If the denominators are same, just you have to compare only numerator. 3 is less than 7. 3 is less than 7. Therefore, 3 by 4 is less than 7 by 4. The same question I am taking with the signs. Minus 7 by 4 and 3 by 4. Again in this example, there are two rational numbers with same denominator. Now we have to compare only numerator. Minus 7 and 3. Minus 7 and 3. Means minus 7, negative, 1 negative, 1 positive. Negative is less than positive because positive is greater than 0 and negative is less than 0. Means all the negative numbers are less than positive numbers. All the negative numbers are less than any positive number. Minus 7 is less than 3. Denominator is same. Numerator of both the numbers are compared like this. Minus 7 is less than plus 3. Therefore, minus 7 by 4 is less than 3 by 4. Hope you understand it. While making comparison between two rational numbers, like this, 1 by 2, 5 by 3. In such example, you will find unequal denominator. here is 2 and here is 3. In the previous examples, we have seen the same denominator, but in this problem, we find unequal denominator. In such case, we make the denominators equal. So we have to make the denominators same of both the rational numbers. For that, we have to take the LCM, least common multiple of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means these denominators. You have to find the LCM of these denominators. The LCM of 2 and 3 comes out to be 6. We are going to make this denominator 6, this denominator 6. The first number 1 by 2 can be made like this one. We can multiply numerator by 3, denominator also by 3. Means we are going to multiply 1 by 2 by 1. Means 3 by 3 means 1. And the purpose is making of denominators equal. Because 3 1s are 3, 3 2 is 6. This number 1 by 2 comes out to be 3 by 6 by writing its denominator 6. Why 6? Because the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we are going to make each denominator as 6. The second number 5 by 3. 5 by 3, these 3 can be made 6 by multiplying 2. So we cannot multiply only denominator. We have to multiply numerator as well. So I am multiplying numerator as well as the denominator by 2. 5 to the 10 and 3 to the 6. Now both these numbers, means 1 by 2 and 5 by 3, have equal denominator. 1 by 2 and 5 by 3, comma, that is 3 by 6, comma, 10 by 6. Our problem is solved because we made the denominator same. Now only question is there, which numerator is greater? You can observe numerator 3 and 10. So out of these, anybody can say that 10 is greater than 3 or 3 is less than 10. Therefore, we write 3 by 6 is less than 10 by 6. That is, 3 by 6 comes out after making its denominator as 6, means the original number is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is less than, and 10 by 6 is 5 by 3. So hence we come to our answer, final answer of making comparison of rational numbers. Hope you understand it. If you have any doubt, query, so write it on a piece of paper, take its image and send it to WhatsApp number on my private personal number. Whenever possible, I will reply it. Thank you.